guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be doing another haul video, and this is about Myntra and Amazon. So I am doing this haul collectively because I wanted to show you both the okay. So I will be showing the clothes first, and then I will be showing all the other stuff that I got. And I also want to tell you that from 16th to 20th, I think you are getting sale on Myntra. Yes, if I'm not wrong. And these products I am not sure, but I think they will be on sale. But I got this all on different price. It was not on sale. So let's get started. ओके सो सबसे पहले जो मैंने प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया था उसमें मैंने ऑर्डर की थी एक कुर्ती विच इज़ इन पिंक शेड, पीची शेड, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. You are getting this frill, not frill actually, but these type of sleeves, and it is plain, and you're also getting some like frill work, you can say, in between. So yes, so the price of this is, it is from the brand called Shakumbri, and the price is 9.95. So yes, and the material is very comfortable, it will not irritate your skin. Yeah. Okay, so the next kurti is from a brand called Zia, and this is how it looks like. You are getting some beautiful work here and on the sleeves, and rest of the full kurti is plain. And you are also getting plazo, or you can say pants with them, but actually I will call it plazo because this is nowhere pants. So yeah, and the price for this is 1730 rupees, and I got it for like 1200 or 1400 something. Okay, so the next product, and also I got some kurtis for my mother as well. Eventually I'm not going to show you here, but I will show you what all I bought. So the next thing which I bought are mainly pants. I love these comfortable pants. Actually in summers I hate wearing tight jeans, and I would just want to breathe in my clothes. So yeah, so this is the pants, and you are getting a belt like this, and this is a kind of a baggy, not actually baggy, but it will not irritate your skin, or it will not feel like oh my god, you are wearing something very tight. So yeah, and the price of this is from the brand called Popnetic, and the price is 1300, 1299, eventually 1300. And I'm not sure if you'll get this on sale in this Myntra sale, but I got it for this amount. Okay, so the next jeans that I got from Myntra is, these are the products which I got from Myntra only. Okay, so the next jeans, I was not sure about the quality, but I bought shoes from Roadster, and which was amazing, so I wanted to try the jeans. So yeah, I bought these jeans from Roadster, and it is like this. I totally love how it looks, and so I wanted this to look baggy, so what I did was I ordered it in a bigger size so that it will look like baggy jean. So that's why I ordered it in large. Yes, I think yes, this is in size 32, and this is 100% cotton. You can see this is in size 32, and also if these are very loose to me personally, I don't know how it will suit you, but it looks like this, and I totally loved it. And the price was 1800 I think, and I got it for around 1400 something. Yes. Pants. Okay, so the next pants are also from Myntra, and I totally love the color of it. Like, see how beautiful it looks, and I'm eagerly waiting to try them out because you all know. Okay, so this retails for 1195 rupees, and it is also from Popnetic. So yeah, I love this color. Okay, so I got this H&M bag from Myntra, and this is so beautiful. Actually, there is a story behind this. Before the lockdown, I was looking for a bag, and I basically wanted this bag because it looks so huge and it has so much space, and whenever you are out, you can just take this. It does not have any zip. It has this what do we call this, stitch, I don't know. Okay, so it is very spacious, you can see. So I was finding it in all the H&M stores. Even I find it in Gurugram as well, and also from CP. But what happened was I was not able to find it. So in winters I got some shoes and boots from H&M online, but what happened was I got the wrong size. So I want the bag, so I ordered it from Myntra, and I got this. This is my favorite thing, guys. And I wanted to tell you, if you are looking for a bag to keep the clothes and to carry your laptop or all the essential items, you can take this. But for the safety purpose, I don't think this is very safe because it should have zip, but it eventually did not have any zip and nor pockets. So this retails for 1500 rupees, and I totally loved it for the price. So मैंने जो 3 ये ऑर्डर किया अमेजोन से वो थे ये, और जो एक है उसमें मैंने ज्वेलरी रख रखी है गाइस, और उसमें पूरी भर चुकी है ज्वेलरी में, पर उसको हिला नहीं सकती इस टाइम, इसलिए वो सेम ऐसे ही है। इसके अंदर एक पेयर मतलब और है, वो उसका कलर है शायद ग्रे। सो यस, और ये काफी अच्छी इनकी स्पेस आप देख सकते हैं। मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, स्पेस देखो आप इसकी कितनी है, और आपको इवन इसको कवर करने के लिए ये भी मिल रहा है। और ये अमेजोन पे 595 कुछ की थी, बट मुझे ये डिस्काउंट पे मिली थी 395 की। यस, तो आई लव दिस। इसके अंदर काफी सारा सामान आ सकता है, मतलब बहुत सारा सामान आ सकता है। अगर आप मेकअप के अलावा भी खरीदना चाहें तो आप इसे परचेज कर सकते हैं। और जो क्वालिटी है वो भी काफी अच्छी है, ऐसी प्लास्टिक नहीं है कि लोकल टाइप्स प्लास्टिक हो, ऐसी प्लास्टिक नहीं है, काफी अच्छी प्लास्टिक है। यू कैन सी, ये मैंने अभी हटाया भी नहीं है, मैंने अभी एक ही यूज करी है। Okay, so then the next thing which I got from Amazon is this. This looks so cute, and it looks small, but it can actually like hold more products, and you are getting these 1 2 3 4 5 6 story type things, and one box in which I have kept my jewelry। जो भी मैं वीडियो शूट करती हूँ जब उसको ऐसे ही ना रखूं, इसलिए मैंने इसमें रख दिया अभी तो। एंड ये, और मैंने इसलिए मंगाई थी क्योंकि मैं अपना मोस्टली जो डेली स्किन केयर जो करती हूँ वो इसमें अंदर रख सकूँ, एंड ये बहुत हैंडी रहेगा, दैट्स व्हाई, एंड आई टोटली लव दिस। ऑल्सो जो प्लास्टिक है वो ऐसी नहीं है कि ये टूट जाएगी, बट क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है। और इसका प्राइस था गाइस, इसका प्राइस नहीं पता मुझे, इस पे लिखा हुआ भी नहीं है। और आई थिंक मैं यहीं पे अभी कहीं साइड में स्क्रीन पे लिख दूंगी। ओके, so yes, this is it for today's video. I hope you are enjoying my haul videos. If you are enjoying it, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Videos like karna mat bhulo. Or if you want more such haul videos and makeup videos that are coming your way, then also don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon.
hit.
So yes, bye, stay happy. Chup. And also